All right, for 17, we just want to potentially rephrase this, and let's just remember that when we're talking about style, the SAT very much likes simple, concise sentences. So we currently read that so appropriate resources to show them how and why they are falling behind and what they should do about it. It's grammatically correct, but it's pretty wordy. Um, if we can find something that maybe conveys the same meaning but in a shorter, less amount of words, that's probably what we want to do. And again, always be careful with these sort of questions that ask you to potentially rephrase something because you have to make sure that it conveys the same meaning as the original. With that in mind, let's look at the options. B. Address their deficiencies. This seems pretty good. It definitely conveys this same meaning, except it does it in 3 words instead of however many this is. So B sounds pretty good, right? We're showing them how and why they're falling behind. That's the deficiencies part and what they should do about it. So the fact that they need to address it. So B's looking pretty good. C. Deal with their flaws and shortcomings. Okay, so you have the deal with part, so what they should do about it. But here it says flaws and shortcomings. And on the surface, this C might also, seem like a viable option. But the issue is just that it kind of changes the meaning of the sentence, right? Here we're talking about just, someone might be falling behind and how they can fix that, just addressing a little deficiency. I'm adding the word little here, but the point is that a deficiency isn't something as large in magnitude as a flaw or shortcoming. We're not talking about people trying to change their character or something. It's just someone's falling behind and how they can fix that. That's addressing a deficiency. So C kind of changes the meaning, makes it the magnitude of the sentence much bigger than it is here. So C is out. D. Allow them to meet their employer's needs in terms of knowledge and they are supposed to have. Okay, so D pretty much runs into the same issue as the default option, just because it's very wordy. So B is our answer here. It conveys the same meaning, but in a far smaller number of words, without changing the meaning of the sentence.